Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. As you can see, today I am sporting this insanely sparkly, beautiful mask. Let me take it off so you can understand me. Anybody else love that feeling? That's something I never knew the feeling of until this year. So in today's video, we will be doing a matching eye look to our mask, and this mask is so sparkly and beautiful, so I figured this would be a perfect tutorial. And the mask is from Get Stoned, and obviously it's unbelievably sparkly, more sparkly than you could ever imagine. And if you guys would like to check out some of their masks, you can do that down below. We will have the links. But I just feel like this mask is so pretty and like perfect to get glammed up with your lashes and looking so good to go out with your mask on and be safe and glam. And I love every part of that. The safety, the glam, all of it. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette today. The reason I want to use this palette is because I kind of want like a wash of color and then to add like a little tiny touch of something kind of sparkly. And this shade Mandala right here is kind of like duochrome, and so is like this one over here. And because this mask is holographic, I felt like that would be perfect to have like a couple duochrome shadows on my eyes to kind of go with how light reflective the mask is. So I'm going to take the shade Cindy, and I'm going to kind of use that as like a color wash. So I'm going to start at my lash line and then work upward into the crease and then blend upwards. I also forgot to mention, which I feel like is very important, my face makeup is my base face, which is foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, all of the things. But you don't have to do any of that. You can go bare face if you like, because let's be honest, the mask covers up most of your face. And I'm just going to kind of keep layering that color up until I'm satisfied, and mostly And I'm just going to keep layering that same shade, concentrating on the outer corner and towards my lash line. I'm also going to pull that same shade underneath in my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take the shade Bybel and apply that in my outer corner and along my lash line. Alright, so that's basically it for the matte shadows. Now we're going to move on to the shimmers, which I think is the most fun part, because honestly you can do pretty much whatever you want with the matte. You actually don't even need it if you don't want it. You can just stick with the shimmers because they're really going to complement this amazing mask. So I'm going to start with the shade Bowley, and I'm going to apply that in my very inner corner and kind of working it into my lid. Take the shade Mandala, which is that duochrome purpley shade, and I'm going to apply that in the very center of my lid. It just like adds that purple to it, but it's also got these like green reflex, which I feel like is so perfect with this mask. Now in the very outer corner, we're going to take the shade OA. It's super sparkly, and I just feel like it's going to kind of like really kind of bring that depth in, but still with some sparkle. And as you can probably see, I love to use my fingers for these shimmer shades. I just feel like I can pack it on super well and make it really opaque. Then I'm just going to take a blending brush and kind of blend that into the crease. Now for the fun part, we're going to apply our magnetic liner. I'm going to be using the black shade, and I'm kind of feeling a wing today. I want my eyes to really pop, so I'm definitely going to do a little wing. And always make sure to wait, of course, the full 2 minutes to let your liner completely dry before applying your lashes. And it's so funny, I kind of felt like this eye was like getting a little dramatic, and then I put my liner on and I'm like, it's not dramatic, it looks perfect. And while I'm waiting for the liner to dry, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Okay, so and now for our mask, before I put our lashes on, just for dramatic effect, let's put the lashes on while the mask is on so we can see what they do together. So let's mask up. Maybe I should tell you what we're going to do first. Probably. Okay, so we're actually going to be trying 2 different lashes on today because I just thought it would be fun to show you guys 2 different lashes with this mask. So we're going to be trying the Flirty lash on and the Boujie lash. Boujie is obviously like the most dramatic, and then Flirty is a little bit less dramatic but still has all that length. So I just wanted to show you like a couple. You know, I think it's fun. Let's try them on. It's so easy to try on these lashes. It's like trying on clothes. Literally, all you have to do is plop it on and take it off. So my mask is going on. Hopefully it won't be too hard to hear me. And the best part about this is we don't have to wear lipstick. We don't have to put any lipstick. I have chapstick on. That's amazing. I love chapstick. Okay, here we go. I love it with the eyeshadow. I feel like it looks so pretty and it matches so well. You can see the purple and the green up in there. So let's do Boujie Lash. Okay, you guys, I'm obsessed with Boujie Lash with this mask. Like, this looks so good. I can't even handle it. Obsessed with these. We have to try on Flirty, but, like, I can't get over the Boujie Lashes with this mask. I feel really cool. Wow, I'm, like, obsessed with Flirty, too. I don't know which one I like more. It is hard to talk in there. But I love both of these lashes with this mask. Oh my God. Like, it makes me excited to wear a mask, which, can we talk? We probably usually aren't excited to wear our masks, but with this one and these lashes, I'm definitely excited. So that is it for this mask and lashes makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was so much fun. I love this eye look with this mask. Like I said, it makes me excited to wear my mask because it's so sparkly and my lashes are so bold and I just feel like $1,000,000. I really do. Like, it makes me feel so good and a little mysterious, not gonna lie. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please let us know down below if you recreate this look. Thank you, Get Stoned, for having such beautiful masks. And if you guys want to get one for yourself, the links will be down below. And in case you need any tips and tricks on how to do winged liner, since I kind of just grazed over it today, you can watch this video where we go over all of our best tips and tricks on how to do winged liner. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel down below so you never miss any of our videos, and you can hit the bell to be notified anytime we post. We'll see you in the next one.